All right, question 2, we have the sinusoidal function y equals -3 cosine 4x minus 2 plus 2, and we're trying to find everything. So midline, amplitude, period, phase shift. So let's start with just our standard form. Y equals a cosine of bx minus c plus d. And then I'm going to write the equation underneath. So -3 cosine 4x minus 2 plus 2. Now let's identify everything. So a is -3, b is 4, c is 2. Notice it's what comes after the negative. Okay, so it's not -2, it's +2, and then d is +2. All right, so everything's set. Now let's go look at what we're trying to find. So what is the midline? Enter your answer as an equation. So equation means you need an equal sign. So remember, when we have a cosine function, it makes the wave, right? The midline is the line that goes through the middle. Oops, thought I picked a different color. So see how it is a horizontal line? It's a y equals equation. And it's y equals whatever our d value is, so 2. All right, the amplitude is from the top to the midline and then the midline to the bottom. That's supposed to be the same value. That's why it's the midline. And that is the absolute value of a. So our a is negative, so if we take the absolute value of a negative, it's going to be a positive. All right, the period is the length before it starts repeating. So we usually measure top to top, and then it will repeat itself. It's cyclical. So the period is 2 pi divided by the absolute value of b. So 2 pi over the absolute value of 4. Well, the absolute value of 4 is just +4. And I can reduce this fraction, 2 pi over 4. I'm trying to change that. 2/4 reduced to 1/2. So 1/2 pi, or just pi over 2. Okay, last one, the phase shift. That is the right or left shift of the graph. And we get that by taking c over b. So c is 2, b is 4. That means the phase shift is 1/2. So let's type everything in. That one's an equation. Remember, you need an equal sign. Pi halves 1/2.